Hi, my name's Justin, and I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries on a Yamaha golf cart. So this is a 48 volt golf cart. It has 6 8-volt batteries. And the first step I like to do is take a picture of the layout so I can put the new batteries in just the way they were originally. And some golf carts have the diagram right here. So the first step is unbolting the stands in the battery bay that keep the battery locked in. And I forgot to mention this, you do want to put your golf cart in tow when changing the batteries. And after you unbolt all the stands in the battery bay, you go and start unbolting the wires. Okay, so now after I got all the original batteries out, I gotta get new ones and put them in the same way. So I know which way to put the batteries due to the diagram right here. And on the diagram, you're pretty much just matching the negative and positive side of each battery. So I know which battery is negative and positive due to the logo right here. It says positive and negative on this side. So I just put all the new batteries in. And before I start putting the wires on the new batteries, I get a wire brush. Make sure you clean up all the wires with the corrosion. Take that off. So after going through each of the wires and making sure they're all good, then you start assembling it back together. So with the picture I took before I started taking the batteries out, I can see which wires connect to which batteries. So I just put all the batteries back together, and before I turn it on, I'm gonna use battery terminal protector and spray each of the terminals to prevent corrosion in the future. So after you're done spraying, you can put it back in run, turn the key, and make sure everything is good. And that's how you change the batteries on a Yamaha golf cart.